Hi. Uh, Took my P22 to the range today. This is it here. I added a threaded adapter to the muzzle, put a flash hider on it, and since it's got a Picatinny rail on the front, I stuck a cheap laser on here. Uh, Laser doesn't do very good in the daylight, so I'm probably going to take it off. Went to the range today, put probably 300 rounds through it. The only failures I had were with the ammunition, not with the firearm. I've got some old 22 that I got from a police armorer, stuff that'd been dropped off at the police station, old ammo people were wanting to get rid of, but he gave me a 30 cal ammo can full of 22s. So for going to the range, it's good enough stuff because it's not costing me any money to fire it, but some of it has been exposed to the weather, it's junk, and those were the only failures I had was with the ammunition, not with the firearm. Gotta say I like this pistol. It's lightweight, it's very reliable. The only cons I have with it is you have to have a special wrench to fully disassemble it for cleaning. So in my opinion, that's not very tactical if you gotta have special tools to disassemble and reassemble it in the field, because tiny little wrenches and stuff like that can get lost. But other than that, it's a hell of a gun. I mean, it shoots accurate. Um, like I said, it's mostly polymer or synthetic. Got aluminum slide, steel barrel, and steel parts in it, or firing mechanism. But all in all, it's a really handy little pistol. Bought this mainly just for fun and plinking. Uh, Teach my son and daughter how to shoot. But gotta say, I really enjoy this thing.